the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are used to form 3-digit codes. Again, it's a code. So fortunately for us, we don't have 0, but it's still a code. So each they're saying which we're going to create a code that looks like 5, 6, 7. We're going to create a code that looks like 2, 0, 1, etc. So they say determine the number of different codes that can be formed if repetition is allowed. That's number 2.1. So how would we do that? We're going to tell them, okay, 2.1. 2.1. How many spaces do we have?
3.
We have 1, 2, 3. Yeah? And then we're choosing from how many numbers here?
9.
We're choosing from 9 numbers. Ne? So it means for us to perform the first task, we have 9 values to choose from. For us to choose the second one, we have what? 9 again. And then again, we also have what? 9. So we have 9 multiplied by 9, it's 81. 81 multiplied by 9.
7.
Huh? 7 to 9. And then they will give us 2 marks for that. So this is multiplication. Everyone is still fine, English. Now, number 2.2, they say, determine the number of different codes that can be formed such that the code is greater than 5,000. Yeah?
Yes.
Not, 500. It's greater than 500 and repetition is not allowed. We are not allowed to repeat things, Anisha. So if we are not allowed to repeat things, we are going to tell them that 2.2, we still have 1, 2, 3. Ne? Now, when we choose for the first time, we can't choose from everyone, Anisha. We are going to choose from, starting from where? We can choose starting from 5, Anisha, up until we get to 9. These ones that I've highlighted. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we come and put 5 here. Sharp, English. But when I choose for the second time, look at this then. When you choose for the second time, all the numbers are back. And then we're not allowed to repeat, English.
Yes.
If we're not allowed to repeat, we can just take any number from this side greater than. So let's take 6, for example. Let's cancel 6. And say, suppose which we have used 16. How many numbers are remaining, much? We are remaining with what? With 8 numbers. I don't want us to say which is 5. Why didn't cancel 5? Because you will assume which you are creating a code here. I've put the 5 here. No, I didn't put the 5 here. I'm saying there are 5 different numbers that I can choose from. So we have 5 multiplied by 8. Ne? And then we take 1 again, because repetition is not allowed. So take 1 again. Which one can we take? Let's take 9. If we take 9, how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have what? Multiplied by what? By 7. All in all, what do we get? We are getting 208, you know? And then we're going to get 280 numbers that are going to be greater than. Now let's go to 2.3. It's 1, it's 2. Number 2.3. Such determine the number of different codes that can be formed such that the middle digit is 5 and then repetition is allowed. So we're allowed to repeat. So if you are allowed to repeat, here's what we're going to do. We're going to tell them we have 1, 2, 3. Who can we put here? It's 5. How many 5s do you have? 1. We have 1. And then how many can you choose from for this part? You can choose from 9. How many can you choose for number 3? Task number 3. 9. Yeah, because repetition is allowed. You can use all the numbers except for the middle. For the middle one, with it, we don't put 5. There is 1 5. You get that pattern? Yes, it's not 5, but we say which there's only 1 5 that we can put there. So if we say 9 multiplied by 9, we get what? 8. Yes,